On my way back to learning CapCut, let me show you how you can create auto captions. I'm just going to use my last video on using the sharpener in CapCut. It has inbuilt audio. We want to create captions for it. We use the auto function. By the way, I use the default layout. Then you will find the text right here. Maybe you'll see the default text right here. Switch to auto caption. There are auto captions, auto lyrics. We want to have the first option. Go to the drop down, pick the language. In our case, it's English, and then confirm via create. It might take some time depending on the video length. But now when I roll it, the captions are created automatically. Be aware that not everything is going to be perfect here, so you have to adjust it manually a little bit. When you do, go to the timeline and then drag over all of these text elements so that you have them all selected. And when you now adjust it, it's going to be applied to all elements. You're going to be under text, basic, and here you can fix these issues, font size for example. Be sure that when there are multi-line, like here, multi-line captions, that you adjust the position. So go to the preview window, left click, drag it a little bit upwards. And when you have to adjust a certain element, so maybe a word was wrong, that happens with this auto detection, just select only this element, go to this basic box and you can adjust it there. There are way more options, for example, color adjustment, style, so the typical text stuff. But this is how you can create your auto captions in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.